Hello everybody, in this video, we'll explore the basic manipulations in light tracer render. The program consists of three main areas: the central area with the viewport and the toolbar menu, the left panel, which can be hidden if needed, the right panel, which can also be hidden. To quickly hide all panels, use the button in the toolbar menu. In the top left corner, you'll find the burger menu and the rendering settings. Rotate camera, hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse to rotate around the central object. Zoom in and out, scroll the mouse wheel to adjust the zoom level. First-person camera mode, hold the right mouse button to activate this mode. You can also use the WASD keys to navigate around in this mode. Pan the camera, press and hold the mouse wheel while moving the mouse. When you select a model, a manipulator appears that you can use to adjust the object's position in space. Uniform scaling, to scale the model proportionally, click and drag the white sphere at the center of the manipulator. Axis scaling, to scale along a single axis, select and drag the sphere on the red, blue, or green axis. Rotation, use the arc guides to rotate the object. Translation, moving the object, use any of the three axes: green, red, or blue. To axis movement, hold one of the circles in the center of any plane to move the object freely in that plane. On the left panel, you'll find the Open, Close 3D Manipulation widget button. This menu allows you to manually adjust the object's position, rotation, and scale of the object using numerical values. The Reset button restores the model to its original position and proportions. The left panel contains a list of all objects in the scene. Some objects are grouped together. To select a group, simply click once on any object in the group. As shown in the video, the ring and all its stones move together. To select a specific object within a group in the viewport, double-click it. Now, you can manipulate it separately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated.